In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clear, customer-friendly shipping option ready to use at checkout, without any confusion. Start in your site's dashboard and look to the bottom left for the gear icon. That opens your settings. From there, choose Selling, which is where Squarespace keeps all the tools related to orders and fulfillment. Inside Selling, go to Shipping. This is your control center for how customers see and pay for delivery. Next, select Add Shipping Option. Think of a shipping option as a choice your customer will see, like standard shipping or express. This is where we put all the rules and prices behind that choice. Before typing anything, take a moment to define your rates. This is your strategy. Decide how you want to charge. Maybe a simple flat fee that's easy to understand, or a rate that varies with factors like order total or item count. Consider what you sell, typical package sizes, and where you ship. The goal is to cover your costs while keeping checkout clear and predictable for customers. Now, enter the shipping option name. Make it descriptive and customer-friendly. Names like standard, priority, or local delivery work well because shoppers instantly know what to expect. If there are time frames you consistently meet, you can reflect that in the name to set expectations. Set the rates next. Type in the exact amount customers will pay for this option. If you're using a tiered approach, make sure the numbers make sense for small and large orders alike. Keep an eye on how packaging, distance, and your average order value affect your margins. A good rule of thumb is to keep rates simple enough that customers don't have to do math during checkout. Add any handling fees you need. Handling fees cover things like packing materials or extra prep time. Use them sparingly and transparently so buyers don't feel blindsided. If you roll handling into the main shipping rate instead, make sure the total still looks reasonable. Finally, select the regions where this option applies. Choose the countries, states, or areas you serve with this particular method. This is how you differentiate a domestic option from one meant for other regions. Double-check that your selections match the places you can reliably reach with the time frame and price you set, and there you go. You've navigated to shipping, added a shipping option, defined your rates, named the option, set the price, included handling if needed, and selected regions. Keep your labels clear and your math honest, and you'll reduce cart abandonment while protecting your bottom line. That's all.